Welcome to White Globe, Asia's leading translation and localization services company. We enable communication in your language. White Globe provides service in 350 plus languages to more than 1000 plus enterprise customers, 50 plus Fortune 500 customers. White Globe has translated more than 750 plus million words. We provide a range of translation services like technical, legal, patent, European patent validation, clinical trial and regulatory filing. We also provide a range of localization services like marketing, website, e-learning and software localization. Our content creation and management services include technical writing, user manual and product manual. We have a range of multimedia and studio services like dubbing, subtitling, video and animation services. We also provide interpretation, training, recruitment and staffing services. We are here to provide next-gen solution, improved speed to market, reduced cost, customized service for 40 plus industry verticals, 24/7 service, wide range of services under one roof. We have network of 25,000 plus native language and cultural expert on our platform who have been selected after a comprehensive language capability assessment and competency mapping based on industry, function and domain experience. Our language experts are spread across 500 plus cities and all time zones. WG LangTech, a platform backed by AI and ML with modules for translation management system, translation productivity platform, translation memory and automated linguistic QA tool. All assignments are delivered by bilingual native language expert with industry domain and functional experience after proofreading, editing and review by in-house language experts, localization engineer and project managers giving a seamless project management experience. Our services are delivered by a dedicated team of 250 plus White Globe Troters who orchestrate 25,000 plus language and cultural experts to offer customized services. We are White Globe, your preferred language service partner. The management team of White Globe has more than 250 man-years of management experience. We promise best-in-class technology platform, interoperability and support for almost all file formats, scalable solution proven by our delivery of 10 million words per month for 6 months to one client. ISO certified process oriented to ensure accuracy, timeliness and confidentiality. White Globe processes are completely automated and support to more than 1000 plus enterprise customers, 50 plus Fortune 500 companies, some of our valuable clients. Recognized by industry bodies and publication houses. White Globe has been featured in 2020 Slater Language Industry Index LSPI and Quote, a first for a company of Indian origin. White Globe CEO recognized as CEO of the Year 2019, Most Influential Business Leader 2020, acknowledged as the Most Admired Language Service Provider 2018, amongst the top 10 LSPs in 2017, recognized as the Company of the Year 2019, awarded the Best in Translation and Localization India 2020 by CV Magazine UK. We enable communication in your language. We are White Globe, an ISO certified company trusted by to more than 1000 plus enterprise customers, 50 plus Fortune 500 companies. Our corporate and regional offices are located at head office, Pune, Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Dubai. Contact us today. sales@whiteglobe.co.in, info@whiteglobe.co.in, www.whiteglobe.co.in.